Hey YouTube, what's going on? So today I'm going to be doing a real quick video on how to grow a mango from seed and what you need to do in order to get that mango started out the right way. So let's get into it. Alright, so to get started, this is what you need. You need a mango seed. I'll talk a little bit more about that in a second. A butter knife to open up the husk, and then just a regular small sandwich Ziploc bag and a paper towel. So first I want to talk about the seed. So there's a couple different types of mangoes. There's thousands of types of mangoes, but two different types of seeds. So there's either a monoembryonic seed or a polyembryonic seed. The monoembryonic seed is a seed that is fertilized by two different mango flowers' pollen coming together. So you'll get a very unique individual tree that could be the next best thing, or it could be pretty bland. You never know. The polyembryonic mango seeds have one seedling that comes out of that seed that is like the monoembryonic. It's a cross pollination of the different mango flowers that were able to pollinate each other. But the rest of them, and I've been told you can get up to 20 in one seed, will be identical clones of the mother plant. Now, I've already grown some of these. These are off my lemon meringue mango, which is an Indian mango variety, and these are monoembryonic, so I know I'm not going to get multiple seeds out of this. So that's just a little bit of information on the seeds, not really anything that's going to help you, but it'll give you a little bit more information if all of a sudden your mango is shooting out 20 different little mango trees. So the first thing we do, obviously, we cut open the mango and we eat it, and that was delicious. The next thing is we have this mango, and it's got all the kind of residual mango juice and guts that was too hard to cut off. So what I like to do is just run this under the sink and clean up the mango seed so it's easier to get to the husk. I'll do that real quick. All right, so I've cleaned this mango seed up, and you can see that it doesn't have a lot of the residual on there. You'll notice on one of the sides there'll be a little line right here. That line is what we want to use to break into the husk. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the butter knife, and it goes right into that husk. And I'm already seeing it spread open. It's pretty easy, actually. And then once you get enough to get your fingers in there, then you open it. And then you can pull out the mango seed. Voila! Pretty easy. So you don't need the husk anymore. So this part should be pretty clean, but in case you have any mango residual, you don't want mold or anything going on. So what I do is I just wipe it down, and while I'm doing that, I moisten the paper towel. So then I take the moistened paper towel and I will wrap the mango seed in the paper towel just to help it stay moist. And I'll put this mango seed inside the Ziploc bag and seal it up. And once I seal that up, then I will take the mango seed and I will just simply put it on top of our refrigerator. Doesn't matter where, just a nice warm spot. And we'll clean up the mess. And in a few days, it'll look like this. So I forgot about this thing. Set it up on top of the refrigerator, and it already rooted. Pretty incredible. We're going to give that to my mom to plant at her house. So hopefully you learned a little bit about this. It's super easy to do. Just remember, when you're deciding to grow a mango tree, it's going to be similar to the mango that you ate. So if you didn't really like the way it tastes, that might not be the best mango to grow. So just pick a really good variety, and hopefully in 3 to 10 years you'll have a delicious mango tree fruit to eat. So all right, thanks a lot. Subscribe.